Welcome to Planet MicroCap. I'm your host, Robert Kraft, and joining me today is Luke Alexander. He is the president and CEO of Newcore Gold. It's a publicly traded company. I got two symbols for you: NCAU on the TSX Venture and NCAUF on the OTCQX. And Newcore will be presenting at the upcoming Precious Metal Summit Beaver Creek, happening September 13 through 16, 2022. For more information, please visit precioussummit.com. And with that, Luke, thank you so much for joining me today. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing well, Robert. How about yourself?
Oh, just gearing up for Beaver Creek. That's for sure. So we've done a few interviews together in the past, but before we get into some of the updates and everything like that, can you start us off with a quick overview of the company?
Yeah, so Newcore Gold, it's an advanced stage exploration project with a district scale exploration asset in Ghana. We've got a PEA on the project, which fundamentally underpins the value of the company, about $212 million after tax NPV at a $1,650 gold price. We've also got a 1.4 million ounce resource, which we put out in 2021. But really what we've been focused on is exploration, and we've drilled a total of 90,000 meters in the last couple of years. So advanced stage exploration in Ghana.
Very good. All right. So last time we spoke together, we published that interview on September 2nd, 2021. So let's get that update. What would you say are some of the company's highlights in the last 12 months or so?
In the last 12 months, we've been aggressively drilling on the program, on the project. Total of probably 50,000 meters in the last 12 months. We've really taken a multi-pronged exploration approach. So we've wanted to expand at all of our existing resource areas, which we've been able to accomplish at our 4 current resource areas. We've also wanted to go back to previously drill tested areas and move those into the resource category. And we've started to do that with the update that we put out last year. And we'll continue to do that with the update that we put out later this year. We wanted to make some new discoveries, and we're very excited to have announced 3 new discoveries on our project in 2022. All of them sit right around where the proposed infrastructure is. So these are potentially very profitable ounces when it comes time to mining on the project. And then lastly, we wanted to start testing some of the high grade at depth on our project. And we've put out multiple high grade intercepts over the last 12 months. And then also outside of obviously all of the drilling that we've been doing, I've touched on it a couple of times. We did put out a PEA which outlined very robust economics at a $1,650 gold price, after tax NPV of $212 million, 2-year payback, 42% after tax IRR. So that fundamentally underpins the value of the company, currently trading at about 0.12 times NPV. And then we also put out a 1.4 million ounce resource. One of the key things with our project is that it is a heap leach project, so very low capex. And when you look at the capital relative to the production profile, it's probably one of the better ones in the industry.
So from what you can tell us to close us out here today, what would you say then are some of the company's near-term value catalysts that you want folks to pay attention to moving forward?
So we raised $5 million in July of this year that closed. So that combined with our existing cash on the balance sheet will allow us to kick off another drill program to build on the success that we've had with our 90,000 meter drill program. So we're just in the process now of designing that program. So would expect to in the next few weeks be able to announce the commencement of that drill program. We've also been running a number of column tests to further, analyze the met on the project. We'll look to get those out to the market in the next couple of months. And then one of the bigger catalysts will be at the end of this year. We'll look to get a resource an updated resource out to the market. Once we've got that resource, then we'll reevaluate what the project, what we think the project economics look like, and make a decision as to whether it makes sense to update our PEA on the back of that. So, commencement of drill program, met results, and a resource update would be the key catalysts. And then obviously, once we start this next drill program, we'll then start to have a steady flow of drill results coming out as well.
Very good. And then with that, Luke, where can our audience go and find more information on Newcore Gold?
So we've obviously got a website, newcoregold.com. We're also very active on social media. So Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook. We've got a YouTube channel. A lot of our investors and prospective investors have found the content that we put out on those different platforms very helpful. So I'd encourage you to look at any of those and reach out. We're always keen to engage with existing or prospective investors.
Very good. Well, Luke, thank you so much for joining me today. Really do appreciate it. Good luck. Stay safe. And I'll see you in Beaver Creek.
Yeah, look forward to it, Robert. Thank you.
Thank you. And again, Newcore Gold will be presenting at the upcoming Precious Metal Summit Beaver Creek happening September 13th through 16th, 2022. For more information, please go to precioussummit.com.